I've just seen this video by Mitchi Nikomedi, I think that's his name, sorry if I'm butchering it, where he's claiming that Apple's new keyboard in iOS 26 is broken. However, I disagree. I know what's going on in this video and why it's doing what it's doing. So let's get into it, and let's get into, more importantly, how you can fix it. Because I've not noticed this problem, and I have one setting turned off. So what is Mitchi claiming in his video? So in his video, he is claiming that Apple's new keyboard on iOS 26 is broken. He then proceeds to show an example of him typing a word where it registers a U, or at least you think it registers a U, by making that the highlighted character that you have clicked on, and then types a J. It then does the same with a H. I want you right now to look at your phone and look at the location of those keys. The U key is located above the H and J key. That should have had immediate alarm bells. The keys that appear are not random. It appears that the keys that are typed in the end are always keys just below or around the key that he was meaning to type. My thinking is the problem with iOS 26 has nothing to do with the keyboard engine and has all to do with one feature: swipe to type. You might not be familiar with it, but essentially swipe to type allows you to swipe between keys to type a word. So if you wanted to type here, you could just swipe between the H, the E, the R and the E, and it will type the word here. And actually, I think that's what's happening in his video. When he's moving from the character that it thinks he's registered, the one that appears in large, he's then swiping to another character. And that is what is being implemented in the keyboard. It has nothing to do with a bug in iOS. And so I've had that one feature turned off on my phone for probably about a year. And I've not noticed this problem at all. So I'm not saying it's a definitive this is it, but go try it on your phone and you tell me what you think. I think we need to give credit to Mitchi for bringing it up and making it such a prominent issue and that it's so well known. I think he might be wrong in what is happening. Hope you've enjoyed this one. I'll see you in the next one.